First, install the flange on one side. Place the PT-FE gasket on the glass, then insert a stainless steel tube. Other types of posts may also be used. Their primary function is to secure the component and prevent the gasket from falling off. Then, insert the bolts through the holes in the flange one by one. Start adjusting the screw distance. Adjust the position on the threaded section above the screw so that the nut can be turned approximately 4 or 5 times. The 4 threaded rods must be adjusted to the same height and kept level to prevent the flange from tilting. After making the adjustments, screw on the cap nut. After screwing it on, you can use the size 13 wrenches to tighten it securely. Insert the broken sealing ring that was previously removed. Its main function is to secure it in place. Similarly, after flipping it over, insert a retaining seal ring. Once finished, screw on the top cap nut and tighten it with a wrench. Once completed, you can use a tape measure to measure the distance between the flanges at the 4 threaded rods. Once everything is in order, you can tighten the nuts at the bottom as well.